Hi guys, so we are going to learn how to gather tulle without a gathering presser foot. So you'll need your tulle and scissors. And on the sewing machine, I have my tension at 9. And then going along across my stitch length is at 1, which is a straight stitch. But however your sewing machine is, you have to tailor it to your liking. But this is what I just do on this Project Runway Brothers machine. And we're just overviewing it again. And then your regular presser foot, I didn't have to change it out into a gather foot. It's just a regular presser foot. And then as you can see, we're going to sew straight down the middle. As easy as that is. And voila, we have gathers, ruffles. Look at those gathers. And then, wham, that is beautiful. So give it a try on your sewing machine and see what you can do. If you're new to this, keep practicing and you'll get better. See you next time. Bye.